Hello. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? We'll start in 2 3 minutes. Okay, it's 9:30. We can start. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Does anyone have any questions before we start? If anyone has any questions, please raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Ella sir, welcome after many days.
Sir. Thank you, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Very fine, sir.
Nice to see you after so many days.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so today we are going to discuss about our new indicators and uh, we are going to discuss how I pick the momentum stocks. First, we'll see huh, what is the screener, easy screener available on TradingView, from which I had selected Hirect. So, as you know, I had bought Hirect at around 1386.8. I had bought it on 28th July. And if we see the chart, it's kind of consolidation and it's breaking out. So the breakout has happened and it went up nicely. Before that, there is a base, there is another base. So if we do manual analysis, then there was downtrend, then accumulation went up in markup, then reaccumulation and fresh breakout. So how can we see the stocks? That was one question. Screeners. Normally, what I do is I run a screener where I can find out the stocks which are moving 8 to 10%, so that I know the stocks are not lower circuit stocks, means 5% circuit stocks, and they are highly liquid. So I use the list which shows me 10% up in a day. The stocks which have moved 10% in one day, that means they are not the stocks which fall in 5% or 10% category. If a stock can move more than 10% on some day, it will come in this list. And this helps me to identify stocks which have potential to move larger. Then I make list and I go through the list and I check the stocks which are as per my parameters. Then during the day also I can find some stocks like here we have this screener. Here I click, you can see this screener on right side panel. So there is a circle here. You can see screeners is written. Click there. I have just kept market is Indian market and market cap more than 10 billion. So in this, what I do is I check those stocks which are positive for the day. If I want to buy stocks, I check the stocks which are positive for the day. So when we sort this, uh, we can change it to descending order or ascending order. I keep it in descending order so that I see which are positive stocks. So when I start at 9:15, the stocks, some are the stocks which are 10% up, 7, 8% up. I neglect those stocks because after 8%, 10% move, there is nothing left. Even if it goes to 20%, I will not be able to capture any good profit in that because risk reward matters. So what I do is I go down and I check the stocks which are about 2%, 3% up or 3% or less. So that if these stocks move, they can have good potential moves. So those stocks which are moving less than 3% till 9:30, they have good potential. They can give me some entry signals. So I go to those stocks, I click on the stock and the chart opens here. The chart opens here automatically when we click here. And then I use my tools to identify what are the stocks. So somebody had asked me this question. Vikram sir, I think you had asked me how to find out the stocks, how to
Yes, sir.
make the.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
So this is the screener.
can you just again tell the where you click for this list?
So when we check the chart on the right side here, we have watch list at top right.
Yeah.
Come down here. Can you see my arrow coming down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Cursor
sir.
is coming.
Yes, sir.
Here there is a circle.
Okay. Okay.
Screener is written. Click
Yeah.
on that.
Okay. Okay.
This screener opens like this.
Yes,
You
sir.
can change the parameters, whatever criteria you want. You can keep those parameters. I
Okay.
just keep market as Indian market and market capitalization more than 10 billion.
Okay.
10 billion and above, that is the criteria. You can use 10 billion, 2 billion and above if you want that. That is also fine. But I use 10 billion and above.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this way I get lot of stocks here. And when we click here on any stock name, the chart opens automatically.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So we'll go to Hirek. So this stock was up from previous day, and when I checked it, it was around 2.5, less than 3% up in the morning within 5 minutes. So this was the 5 minute candle, and the stock was up within 5 minutes. It had gone up. It was around 3.87% up. So what I did was I just placed a limit order to buy at 50% of this candle. Price came down, gave me entry, and later on it went up nicely. And on a daily chart, what was the scenario? I will show it to you. So there are main things. Four things are very important for any stock move. First thing is trend. If the stock is in uptrend, it has potential to move up. If the stock is in downtrend, it has potential to move down. And if it has to a stock which is in downtrend, if it has to turn, it will take lot of time. So even though this is bottom of this chart or this is bottom of this chart, it has taken a lot of time. It went into consolidation, went up, again it went into consolidation. So even if we buy here, it went up, again came deep down. In this phase, when the trend is just changing to uptrend, it is better to wait and buy on retracement. So buy on dip method works better when it is initial uptrend. And we use TRT. So when color is green, it's uptrend. When color is down, red, it's downtrend. Pink color, yellow color, they are sideways colors. And it gives clear cut idea what is the trend. And next important thing is what is bias and momentum. So for bias and momentum, what we use is this. This is dual dynamic bands. So I have used two different bands. One is chart time frame band and one is input time frame. Red line is chart time frame. This green line is also chart time frame based on hidden gaps. And then we have purple, which is a momentum, and a black line. So here we have black. Here there is a downward momentum continuously, therefore it is continuously black. There is upward momentum. It started here in this big up move. So upward momentum started here, but it went in momentum here. So early in the phase when prices are just near this red lines, the stock does not start moving immediately. But when red line disappears or prices are above red line, it goes into good momentum. And I have noticed when it goes into momentum, it has to consolidate. So when it consolidates, sometimes the downward momentum also appears. Like here we have downward momentum area. If you can notice this, there is a black color here and we have multiple buy signals. So when there is a buy signal, but it is below the black line, then it has higher chances of failure. But when the signal appears by closing above the black line, that has a good potential to move faster. So you can notice here we have a triangle which I have added just now. Those who have this indicator don't know about this because it is added just yesterday. And this is a triangle which gives us I start entry signal when it closes above this black line. And there is one more signal there. What is that one more signal? Let me check. But it actually doesn't matter because uh, the trade doesn't depend on which kind of signal it is. Signals are just to get entries. So if I remove that, there is a L written here. So this is another signal. There are two signals on same candle. And it happened that I was not able to go through this stock earlier because I had not checked this. And on the day of entry on 28th July, I had checked that it is up, and I put a retracement entry. Luckily, I got the entry and price stock went up smoothly. I could have entered after close of this candle. So next day I could have entered easily on 25th July. That was Friday. One day there was some consolidation. Next day rapid up move. And for this, usually a stop loss can be kept below the momentum line. And if candle closes as red candle below this black band, that can also be used as a partial exit to protect the capital. So exit some position and hold on to remaining position because the momentum is not yet starting. So in that case, we can wait and add further if the momentum starts again. So this was the way in which I had found the high rate from this screener, and then I went on to buy it. It was bought at 1386.8. It was a limit entry, and stop loss was kept at 1295. It was below this. It was below this red candle. It is 1297. My stop loss was below that, and from there it has gone up smoothly. Other one was Bliss GVS, and Bliss GVS was also bought on same day here. So it was also bought on Monday. You can see there is another type of signal. There is upward arrow Y. It went up above the black line. When it was moving up, I had bought at 159.5, 159, and I did not know whether it will go up or it will come down. So I had bought. Price came down, closed here at end of the day, and my stop was not hit. So I kept holding. Next day, price opened gap up but stayed there. Stop was not hit. I had kept a stop loss of just 154 below this candle's low. I had kept a stop loss. So it was around 153.6. That is low of that candle because there was a gap up. Price came down slightly but did not hit my stop loss of 153.6. And then today it has given nice up move. It is one of the biggest gainer of the day. Main entry was because there was this black line and it was going faster above that. There was swing low was already formed. So when there is a small candle and momentum is likely, then stop loss is smaller and we can get big rewards. And that's why I had bought Bliss GVS as well. And these were the two entries. So anyone wants to share or ask any other stock, any other question?
So I did not get about this black line. What you are saying? It has to go above that.
So this is bullish momentum band.
Yes, sir.
This is bearish momentum band.
Yes, sir.
When price comes down below that and then goes above that,
Huh.
and candle closes as a green candle,
Huh.
so that is a good indication that prices are likely to go higher.
Okay.
So it's coming to, it is kind of one support area.
Huh. Huh.
It
Can you
comes to
repeat,
that
sir?
support.
Can you repeat it, sir? Because sir.
See, there is a signal already printed there. We don't
Yes.
have to do
Yes.
much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So don't try to understand too many things, what is happening, what is not happening. There is a clear cut signal. If it is a green color candle,
Yeah.
then it is good thing to buy. And especially when it closes just above this or higher than this black
Okay.
line, then
Okay.
it is a good signal to buy.
Okay.
When I had bought, it was already in momentum. I had bought it here, but at end of the day, it came down. My
Okay.
stop loss was not hit, so I kept on holding
Okay.
because
Okay.
the stock is in upward trend. You can see trend is
Yes, sir.
up.
Yes,
It
sir.
had given retracement entry. It had given this retracement again, this one. So
Yes.
if the stop is hit, my stop is very small. See,
Yes, sir.
9 rupees stop, it's nothing, just maybe 5%,
Yes, sir.
and it has gone up more than 20%.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So that is nothing to worry about. And this is PFI indicator, and I use it when in doubt to whether to keep on holding or to exit. So when the PFI numbers are very strong, I can hold on for bigger targets. If the PFI numbers are smaller, I exit full position. Okay. See, with this also there was a entry. So any other stock you want to check? See, Gallant has gone up 12% today. I had given this name as well in our group, and it has gone up nicely. So I had checked it on 75 minutes. It was in good momentum. There were buy signals as well. When the stock is in uptrend, it just keeps going higher and higher. We can see it has been in uptrend. So the earliest signal to buy will be somewhere here, but the signal is not printed because it is below red line. Next one, there is one here and one here. So if I have to buy, I will buy at this. My stop loss will be below this line. It went up, did not go below this line. Again, next one will be here. So it went up, came down, did not close below purple line. Third one is here. So there are multiple signals, and we don't know which one is going to work, which one is not going to work. That is not in our hands. It's up to the market, and we have to take all the trades. But see, if you take this trade, how much is the risk in this? The candle closed here, and stop loss will be around 6%. It is 32 points. Until now, it has gone up 300 points. So it is almost 10 times, right? Even if two trades fail and one is successful like this, it's worth it. And it has not yet given you a exit signal. It can continue going higher and higher no matter what. It may be, it's not a time to buy now, it's already late. But if you can capture it here somewhere, that will be a good level to buy. And how it all started, I will show you my KIOCL trade. I had bought it and had booked around 50% profit in that trade. It was way back here. I had shared this trade as well when I had taken this. It was also based on iStart, and it's almost 2 years back. You can see there is one buy signal printed here, but I had taken it here on this candle close. Stop loss was just below this candle. It was very small stop loss, and it was 6% stop loss, and I had exited somewhere here when there was gap up and it started coming down. So there was 7 times reward. But when we see prices have moved from here and there are multiple entries. So first entry will be here, this up triangle. Second one is here, third one is here, fourth one is here. So there are multiple entries in this up move, and they are visible entries. I had taken this entry based on my own chart analysis without help of indicator. There was a nice rapid up move, momentum was present, then there was kind of a VCP pattern of Minervini. Based on that manual interpretation, I had bought it. And Bliss GVS I had bought somewhere here. So it did not move like this. It went, came down, and then later on it started moving here. You can see whenever there is a black color line and price closes above that. So this one close, if it is a green close, that will be your first signal to buy. Mm, yeah, it is a red close. Therefore, there is no signal in that candle. But it came in this. So when price crosses above this, that time I will be looking to buy when the stock is, it comes in the list. There is consolidation and prices are trying to go above the line. So at one point, this candle may also give a entry and stop is not hit. Again, this stock will give me entry here, stop is not hit. So sometimes we may have to wait and prices don't explode immediately. Sometimes it explodes immediately. Later on, there were multiple signals again here, and a- as long as the prices are above band, above black band, they are good to keep on holding. When it comes below these bands, this will be my exit, and it will be at the best a break even kind of exit, not a good profit. That is also fine. Now, please tell me your stock names which you want to analyze. DMart, okay. DMart. So, which time frame do you want to check? DMart on which time frame? Do you want to check for today's intraday move? There are some other stock names also. First, we'll start from top. Electra Green. So, what does Electra Green show us? The trend is up. This was early uptrend. This is second green. So, after this, price closed above red line, and now it went up rapidly. Now it is consolidating. So if I want to buy this stock at all, I will wait for stock to go in some more consolidation, maybe a price action like this. So when there is either a triangle pattern or a box pattern or a reaccumulation pattern, something like that. After that, if it gives me a signal, then I will buy. Here immediately I will not buy because it has moved rapidly and it needs some consolidation. This big kind of candle, the buyers get exhausted and they book the profits. So it is likely to go in consolidation, and there is no buy signal till now based on our DDT Smart bands. So I will wait for that kind of signal as well. After that I will check JBMA. And why not buy here and why buy here? This can also be entry. This is based on our impulse pullback or uptrend and retracement entry. Here we must have high PFI value. In the background, there were high PFIs. Here we have 5.1, 2.6. So PFI is actually high here, but not very high. If we make it two times, which gives us entry for stop, small target based trades. Not even two times PFI here because we have very high PFI numbers here. So there was a strong up move, it came down, and then it moves very slowly. See, it went up, came down, went up sideways. And when the stock is in momentum, then it keeps moving very fast. Therefore, at higher levels, it's better to buy. And all the buy signals will appear based on DDT smart bands, which are momentum signals, they will appear at higher levels. Okay, so that is Olectra, then JBMA. And these are not any recommendations to buy or sell. I'm not SEBI registered. So please don't buy or sell based on my analysis. Do your own analysis. JBMA, it is in consolidation phase. It reached our buying area. It is below the momentum band. So once it closes above this momentum band, because the purple momentum, which is bullish momentum, is also higher, and black momentum, which is bearish momentum, both of them are higher than the price. So I will not look for momentum entries at this time. This is a stock for early uptrend which is likely to give deeper retracements. So sometimes it breaks these lines, becomes red, later on it goes into uptrend. I will not do anything in this stock. Harjot, you have all the indicators, you can analyze the charts. I will take one of your stock, Nuvama. So if we check Nuvama, it had turned green here, gave retracement entry, went up, again it came down. It gave a momentum entry here and here. It is above the red line, above all four lines. This triangle is visible here in this candle. So after this, next day there was entry and prices have gone up nicely. This is what I like. It's above all the resistances, then it has least resistance. Prices can move smoothly. Now there is this kind of climatic move, which indicates that buyers are now likely to get exhausted. There is big gap down and big downward candle. So prices are likely to consolidate and momentum is bearish right now below purple and black bands. And we have this interpretation. It is ready to read interpretation: momentum, moderate bearish momentum, bias, moderate bullish bias. So both things are conflicting each other. I will wait for price to go into consolidation and create some pattern, after which I can look for buying opportunity. At that time, momentum band should be below the price. Black resistance band should be slightly higher as compared to momentum bullish band. That gives better opportunities. Okay, Harjot. So Praveen sir, Kalyan Jewelries. So if we see, it has given one Y upward arrow. That is one kind of buy signal. Price is in uptrend. It is above buying area. So it had turned green here. It came down, gave retracement entry as well. And first target is also done. Now only worry here is it's not moving in big candles till now. So the rapid movement is less likely. When the stock has big candle in background, then it can move faster. Here we have all the smaller candles. So even though it is small, it is moving in uptrend. Price is above all the bands. Rapid momentum, whether it will come or it will not come, I don't know. Once we can see big green candles, big upward candles, big bullish candles, after that it's easier for stock to create fast movements because there is somebody who is interested in faster movements. If we buy, we don't have the capacity to move the stock fast. Therefore, there must be at least one candle which has shown that stock can move fast. So it may go up, it can come up to 780 also because there is nothing up overhead. There are some selling areas overhead based on strong hidden gaps, which appear with this indicator. So I will stay away from this stock. I will not buy it for momentum. So there is a question, any screener in charting to find out stocks? Yes, you can use screeners. So you can write a condition. High of today is or close of today is high of today is greater than 10% as compared to yesterday's close, and close of today is higher than 8% as compared to yesterday's close. So this will give you stock which has gone up more than 10% and has closed 8% positive. These are the stocks which are strong stocks and they are likely to do big moves. Okay. Then Nitin has a question, GTPL. GTPL. GTPL Hathway, right? So this stock was in nice uptrend, then it went sideways. So looks like a accumulation schematic. There was a spring, there was a secondary test, momentum had started. Trend was still bearish. Here it changed to bullish sideways. Then there is a big volume candle and it's getting tested multiple times. Now we can see there are multiple buy signals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you have bought for any, then you can keep on holding as long as the color is green and prices are above this green band, because this is early uptrend, so we have to use wider stop loss, and I will use candle close below 109, 110, daily close below this. That will be a bad signal. After that I may exit if I buy here for early uptrend. if I want to buy for momentum, there is nice cost built. Rapid up move has not yet started. There was a big candle which shows there are possible buyers and fast moves may happen. So I will wait for fresh signal. If candle closes above this black band, that can be my signal, and I will keep a small stop loss in that case. So if momentum comes, it can give rapid profits. If it doesn't come, my stop loss will be so small. I will not waste any time. Okay. Okay, Nitin. I'll allow participants to unmute, but everyone don't unmute and don't make any noise. Unmute one by one if you want. So now next stock. Ashish sir, you are asking, sorry I joined late. May I know which application you are showing to read the stock candle? So, AK, is that Ashish sir? So this is our DDT Smart Band and this is TRT. We are discussing that. Then DMART. So can you tell me what do you want to check in DMART? Because as far as I understand, this is a stock which is in FNO and there is a big rapid move today. And it must be the stock which has gained maximum in FNO segment. Therefore, some stocks, some option may have gone from uh, maybe 2 3 rupees to 20 50 rupees. So is that a question based on that for intraday move?
No, today it has shown the breakout. So will it continue or something like that?
Okay. So for that we can check. There was sideways price action. Again, there is some sideways price action, and this candle is a big candle. So
Yeah.
will it continue or will it not? That I don't know. But as far as price action is concerned, the trend is up. We can see there were early retracement entries possible. This is also another retracement entry. One more retracement entry. So as per our retracement entries, it is likely to go to 4450. And if there is a
Okay.
breakout, then it can continue.
Okay.
There is strong volume as well, and this candle is strongly bullish, so there are good chances that it will continue upwards. Bullish momentum band is appearing, bearish momentum band price has closed above that and above the chart time frame. So moderate bullish momentum, moderate bullish bias. Retracement entries are better in this kind of scenario. It may come down for 50% retracement or more. Yeah. What I will do, I will not buy immediately on this candle because my stop loss will be way higher. Yeah, it will be
Okay.
very big stop loss based on this candle. So if I buy here, my stop loss is around 8%, which is not a very good stop loss for stocks which are moving in this fashion like this. It's around 34% move in this one move, but multiple moves are around 10 to 15% only. So if already 8% move has happened, it has less potential for upward and risk
Yeah.
reward will be much smaller. I prefer the stocks which can go up in a big way, and if the candle is closing above black band and it's a small candle, that candles give small stop loss and risk reward is much better. It can continue upward journey, but I'm not interested in this stock. I'll not do anything in this.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
If already holding, it's fine. Fresh
Okay.
entry is not advisable.
Not advice. Thank you.
Yeah. Electra we had discussed, it is likely to go in consolidation. After that, if it creates something, I will look for fresh entry at that time. Gabriel. So Joitam ma'am, I remember you had bought this stock and at that time this indicator was not available. I made it recently and you can see there are multiple entries, and as I mentioned, when the candle closes above this black band, the band purple band is below black band and price closes above black band, that is very good signal. If the candle is very small, or average candle, not very big candle like what we saw in DMart, which is much more larger. This is not that kind of candle. So these are good signals. Something similar happened here as well. You can see this candle closed above this candle closed above this and gave a buy signal. So these kind of signals are very good signals. Here there was sideways price action, gave retracement entry. This is a big candle which will not give a good risk reward, and ultimately it went up and came down at same level again. But these are better entries at higher level. Even though they are at higher level, the risk reward achieved is much better in them. And now what to do in this stock? You can see it has created a continuation. If candle closes below 950, you can exit your position. Maybe it can be a partial exit. And if it closes below this momentum band, or if a black momentum band forms and candle closes below that, you can try to exit your position at that point. If you want to hold on for much larger gains, like a multi-bagger stock without worry of a momentum, then this will be the ultimate stop loss based on chart time frame, green color. And I will give you access to this indicator today, and you'll be able to see it. Okay, Joita ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Any other question on this? ABLBL. ABLBL. Aditya Birla Live. Oh. So this stock is a recent IPO. It is in downtrend, and I don't know where the bottom will form. I don't know how low it will go. What will happen to this stock? Because I cannot predict the future. If we go to lower time frames, we can see the momentum is still bearish, and there is nothing bullish about this stock. Trend is down, momentum is bearish. So, what do you want to know about this? Who has posted this? Bhushan's iPhone. Can you tell me what is your question on this? Fine. So I don't take contrarian trades, and this is in downtrend. So I don't know till which time it will continue in downtrend. As long as it is below 146, the downward momentum will continue. Even if it closes above this, it is likely to come down for retracements. So that will not be my entry. The trend will change color to uptrend only when it closes above 155, or if it closes below this and forms new area. This is 75-minute chart, and 15-minute chart trend is slightly bullish, but again it is likely to come down because of pressure from higher time frames. And the smaller the stock, higher should be the time frame. So I will not do anything in this, and I usually don't buy IPO stocks as IPO entry or immediately after this. It takes some time. Okay, so there is nothing in the stock for me. Nuvama seems to be in phase E. Yes. Then DLF. So what is your question in DLF?
I want to check with I have invested in that, so I want to check what will be the further course.
So right now momentum is bearish.
Yes.
Strongest bearish momentum. And
Okay.
bias is bullish. As long as prices are above this green band, it is likely to go up. See, there was this kind of strong downtrend, after which there is nice up move.
Yeah.
And after this kind of up move, which is a rapid up move, there is some cause built and the effect is achieved. It has gone up to this starting point. We call this as a starting point. And when it reaches a starting point of this downtrend, usually it is a place where profit should be booked.
Okay.
Now again, it is a bullish sideways move, and momentum is also bearish. So I will, if I am holding it, I will exit. If I had bought somewhere here, I will still like to exit. We can see there is a signal here to buy, color change to green, that could have been used as an entry signal. And
Okay.
stop loss would be below this momentum band because it is after accumulation, fresh move is starting. And
Yeah.
mostly I don't prefer to take entries at this level. Now, if this stock goes into consolidation, doesn't go below this uh, green band and reverses again and turns to green color, after
Mhm.
that it has a good chance of going into momentum.
Okay.
Okay, so right now I will not do anything, means I will not buy. It's possible that it may reverse from here itself. I don't know from where it will reverse, but I want to see the move happening. Once it
Okay.
reverses, only then I will be able to uh, tell more
Take entry.
confidently.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this area, it is possible that it may come and touch this momentum band, bias band. After that,
Yeah.
it may start going higher. And in that case, also stop loss will be very big. So risk reward is not favorable for me.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And we have discussed DLF, then we have Geo Finance. In Geofin, it has given good uptrend signal here. There is a triangle here which indicates momentum. Then there is a better entry which I would look for. It came to momentum band and then it started moving higher. So this can be taken as a entry signal. It went up, gave retracement entry as well. Right now, stock has crossed the bearish momentum and the price is above bearish momentum band. So it's favorable for further more up move. It can continue going higher. And if I buy for momentum, my stop loss will be below this candle. If it closes below black and purple band, I will exit because the momentum is not clear and it's not a good signal. I prefer this black band to be higher than the green or purple band. It's not visible here. So if I want to do anything, I will just wait and watch. I will not take fresh entry at this level. Today is not a time to buy it. It may go up and I'm not worried about it. If somebody is holding, then this is a area where stop loss can be kept below 282. At that time, candle color will turn red and it will also be a close below this green band. So at that time, all indicators will give me signal to exit. Whatever is the position, just exit. And later on, it may go up again. That time, it can give fresh entry. So if somebody has bought here, what I usually do is if it closes below one band, preferably a black color momentum band, that time can be used as a partial exit signal. Or if the color changes to red or yellow, that can be used as a partial exit signal. And then wait for further price action to give final exit. It is based on whether the stock is bought for momentum or for investment purpose. So if it is for investment purpose, I want all the signals to go red. So it should close below buying area, that will be candle color turning red. It should close below the green band of chart time frame, that will indicate the bias is also not bullish furthermore and trend has turned down. So that will be end of the trade if I have taken. Okay, any question about this?
So what is this black line?
So this is, I will hide the indicator. There are four lines. One is red line, one is black line. Black line has black gradient. There is purple line with purple gradient and a green line. So these are based on my secret recipe. It shows the trend bias. You can see here we have a bias, we have a momentum. So momentum is based on lower time frame price action. These indicators are totally based on price action. So they show what is happening in the stock, whether there is a bearish bias or bearish momentum. When prices are below black band, the momentum is bearish. When prices are above purple band, the momentum is bullish. As long as momentum is bullish and purple band is seen and black band is absent, prices are likely to keep going higher. And as I mentioned multiple times, if I want to see black band, it should be higher than purple band. When a price closes above that, that is a good signal. After that, you can see prices kept going higher. Now at this level, what happened? Price came down below purple band, below black band. So if I have bought here, my exit will be here. I will not keep on holding because price has closed below black band as well as purple band. And if it is for investment purpose, then I don't want to see red band appearing and prices below red bands and black bands. If this thing happens, then trend is likely to be down. Till that time, it is possible that it may be just a down sideways trend, which may turn up or down. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, sir, we I don't have access of these tools. How I can access these tools?
So you have done my mentorship program. I have
Yes,
shared the
sir.
information how
I'm
to
I'm
get
Dr.
access to
Prasad.
the. Yes, yes, I know. I recognize your voice. So I have told in group multiple
We
times how to
talked
take
today.
access.
You told me that you have developed this tool. I am asking exactly for this tool,
Yes, yes, yes.
but
I will share information in our mentorship group again. Don't worry.
because I don't have that access of this tool.
Yes, so I will share the information
This
in
is
mentorship.
really very helpful.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Then after Geo, intellect. So intellect. Now here we can see intellect. The trend was bullish here. It went in uptrend. There was a buy signal and it hit the stop loss. So all the trades will not be in profit. There are chances that some of your stocks, some of your trades will give you profit and
Hmm?
some of your trades will give you losses. So Prashant sir, can you mute yourself? And after this price came in downtrend, there was a continuous presence of bearish momentum band and then bullish momentum band started appearing and price went above this. And when the red band was crossed, here we have first buy signal based on momentum. So this was first buy signal based on momentum. It did not give retracement entry here. It directly gave a momentum entry. From here, it immediately went up and this is the exit. So black color candle means stop loss of bulls is hit. That is exit signal. If I have bought for momentum, I will not keep waiting for the green band to cross. I will just exit when price closes as a red candle or it closes below black band or below purple band. At that time, I will either do partial profit booking or full profit booking depending on how much profit I have made in that move. So when we check this move, this could have given a profit of 58% was the up move and we could have booked out at 36%. Always remember that I cannot book profit at top because in that case I will be lying. There is this indicator which gives me earliest indicator to exit when candle closes below this purple line. So that will be my earliest possible exit, which will give me a profit of around 42%. Based on double top pattern, I may do partial profit booking, but it is a kind of a retrospective analysis and this is a confirmed analysis which nobody can deny that candle has closed below purple band or the black color candle closing below black band. That is the ultimate exit for momentum trading. And right now the price is in bearish momentum. We can see moderate bearish momentum is visible and the candle color is red. So trend as per TRT is down. uh, and the bias is moderate bullish bias. As far as prices are above this, bias will be bullish. What I want is, you can see there is red band which is higher than green band and therefore bias is moderate bullish. As far as prices are above this and they go in this trading range, I will be happy. And if it creates another uptrend and gives a momentum entry afterwards, I would look to buy afterwards at higher level. Right now, it may be a contrarian entry. It has touched a support. I don't like contrarian entry at all. So I will not do anything here. The momentum is bearish. There is strong force on downside. If we add PFI, you can see there is strong bearish force. So it will be, I will not do anything in this. Okay, so that is about intellect. Then I have explained what is black line. First Solutions Limited. Okay, first. What is this stock? First Solutions Ltd. I'm not getting it. Is it First Source Solution FSL? I suppose it is FSL. FSL is in downtrend and the momentum is bearish, the bias is bearish. So there is nothing in this stock for now. It may come down to this buying area from where it will reverse, or rather it may reverse, but I don't trade based on that. Even though it is a buying area, the trend is down, the bias is bearish, momentum is bearish. It is possible that it may break this area and it may come down to this area. So multiple buying areas get disappeared. As far as the trend and bias are bearish, I will not do anything in this. Okay. And Bharat Seats. Bharat Seats. So first, this is a new stock for me. I have not heard about this. In that case, what I will do is I will check liquidity, and this is highly low liquid stock. Liquidity is very low. We can see low liquidity everywhere. I will not trade this stock. I will not analyze this stock because it's useless for me. Okay, Bharat Seats. Then BEL. This is a chart of BEL. We can see trend turned up here. When it turns up, it usually gives retracement entry. It gave retracement but turned red. Again, it went up, gave retracement entry. Then we can see this is the earliest momentum entry. And based on this entry, it is up arrow Y. One could have bought next day, and usually I prefer to keep a small stop loss. So I would have kept a stop loss of candle closing below this momentum band, and wider stop losses below this. So below this it is likely to turn red. But if I buy for momentum, then candle close below momentum band is the exit signal for me. After this, price have gone up. It closed as a red candle here. Red candle means this is red candle as a normal candle. So it closed below the bearish momentum band for first time. That would be my exit signal. Or if it closes below both momentum bands, this candle will be my exit signal. So if I have bought here, how much is the move I could capture? Maybe up to this. It is around 39%. So from here it went up 39%. And Bell is a large cap stock, so 39% is good move. Right now, the momentum is bearish. You can see strongest bearish momentum, and it is likely to go in sideways price action. This is a possible range. From here, if it reverses without changing the color and closes above black band, then I can look for momentum entry on upside, because the trend is still bullish and red band is not visible, which means the bias is still bullish. And if it closes above black momentum band, and at that time if purple band is also present, that will be ideal. So I will wait for that.
Sir, isn't it right time to invest in Bell? I just bought today.
See, investment is totally different, momentum trading is totally different.
I'm
And
buying
if you have
Bell.
invested, if
I'm
you are
buying
buying
since
here,
I'm buying since the first entry you saw. I'm
yes.
buying since
So
here, and
if you have bought, you should buy with big quantity. And if you are
yeah,
investing,
I buy
suppose
here. I buy here in big quantity, and now I'm adding. I add today also as
so
per
if the
retracement.
color changes to red, then you should exit this as well as this position.
Okay, understood,
Even
sir.
if it is for investment, I would prefer that approach.
Okay, sir.
So if price closes
I
below
I
this or
didn't
below
I didn't book
378.
profit when you say book profit when it closes below that purple band. I
Right.
didn't book profit. That's my
So
mistake.
if you have added, what happens is you have bought here, now you have average. So your average price will come in between. And if
Yeah.
it continues falling down, your loss profits will disappear very quickly.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if it closes below this band and changes the color to red, it's a signal to book profits, exit some position. You
Okay.
must exit whatever you bought here, and you should book some profits from this position as well.
Okay, sir.
Even if you don't exit full position, you must book some position. It is
But
possible that even after turning color to red, it may go up and create new high.
yeah,
We see that many times.
many
But
times.
right now, the price is below green band and below momentum band. And if the color also changes to red, then we don't know whether it will immediately go up, or it will first come down and then later on it will go.
Sir, please can you explain one time what is the green band and purple band? I just
Green band is a band of a chart time frame. It is a bias time frame. Means it gives us bias whether we should look for bullish trades or bearish trades. When prices are above this green band, then it is possible for price to go up rapidly.
okay,
If
sir.
it is below green band, then it may face some resistances.
Okay,
If
sir.
the red band is also present, then it
Hmm.
has higher chances that it is likely to have more resistance.
Mm-hmm.
When red band is absent and only green band is present and price is above green band,
Then
then it is
contrarian.
good. No, no. When only green is present and red is absent and price is above green, then momentum is strongly bullish.
Okay.
So bias is strongly bullish.
I
And
bought
in that
I
case,
bought in this green candle. You saw na uh, on the basis of contrarian view in April. First time no, not here. Yeah, the here. I bought here.
so this is not contrarian. This is trend
No,
following view because the trend
that
is
is
up.
yeah.
The trend is up. At this time, you can see momentum band is
That is
also present.
also retracement
Red
entry,
band is absent and the green band is present.
but
So everything
retracement
is bullish.
it is retracement entry.
Yes. So impulse retracement is this trend following entry. Buy on
Okay,
dip. This is buy on dip. This is not contrarian.
okay, sir.
Contrarian is when you buy here
No, I don't buy
without
here,
any
sir.
confirmation. So this is a contrarian entry. When trend
Okay,
is down, momentum is down,
Uh,
everything is down, but you feel that it is likely to go up, then that is the
but
contrarian entry.
now you think this will go down also. This may go down also.
No, I feel that it may go up also. If the candle closes below this,
Then
then it's a
only.
bad signal. And right now,
So
if you see, it is a red candle.
so we should follow our original blue color also.
Original blue color, yes.
Hmm. Okay, sir.
So if candle closes below that, or if it goes below 378, we have a wick here. So there are some buyers here. If candle closes below this, then it's best to exit all position
Exit
and
all
take
the
fresh entry
position.
later on.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
please.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Actually,
I posted many stocks, sir. Please, sir. We have very short
Uh,
time.
no,
yes.
I have sold a 380 put today only.
380 put. You have sold 380 put.
Yeah, because it went below 380 and came again in the buying area. So,
Yes, so it is still bullish as long as it
yeah,
is above these, as long as color is green, it is still bullish.
yeah.
But
So,
if the color changes to red, it's better to exit.
yeah, yeah. Means my stop loss is very low. Means if it closes below 380, I will exit.
Yes,
So because the momentum is not strong, I sold put.
yes. So when the momentum is weak, then it's better to look for option selling positions. And if you do spreads, it's better because with spread, what happens? You sell a put which is at the money and you buy some put which is
Yeah.
slightly lower. If there is strong down move because of any reason, then you are protected.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir. Very
Naked
good, sir.
option selling is better to be
Very
protected with
risky.
a spread. If it is naked option buying, it's fine because the loss is not unlimited.
Today
With
only I
naked
told you,
option
sir,
buying,
naked option buying of LNT give me five 500% profit in one day.
yes, yes. So option buying is totally different. Option selling must always be protected by a spread if it is overnight and if it is against the momentum. Because profit
So,
potential is very limited, loss potential is very big.
no,
Now
why I
let's
sold
take
put,
next
sir? Because means actually recent trend is downward, but it is in buying area and it came in buying area in a green candle.
Yes, so it came to buying area and the price action is favorable for bulls. The candles are very small, but
Yes, there is no
only
PFI
thing is
candle.
if it falls, it can fall down rapidly.
Okay.
Once it
Better to
turns
buy in
red, it can
delivery.
fall down.
If buying for long time, it is better to buy for delivery, cash delivery, not to
No,
sell.
no, no.
Put.
No, don't confuse. It's a trade. He has taken option selling trade. That is fine.
Okay.
So it can be protected by a spread.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, next question is uh, how to see the screener, ma'am. Joita ma'am, when you go on this right panel and click here, you will be able to see the screeners. Just keep it Indian stocks and market cap more than 10 billion. That's all. When you see the video, it's discussed again at the beginning. You will get it. Karen
Sir,
Peters.
sir,
Yes, Joita ma'am.
sir. Once we
Yes,
see
yes.
this screener over here, do we need to see charting screener as well? Is there any
No,
need?
any one of them.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so Karen looks good. It has a sideways price action, which is kind of accumulation.
Very good.
And
Very good sideways
if I
action.
see where background conditions are bullish and bullish PFIs are strong, and it has closed above black line, which is a a bearish momentum band. So that is also a good thing. And it is going up from the buying area. There is a buy signal. Bullish momentum is here. So it's very nice.
Volume is also
And
positive.
yes,
Yeah, last.
so this is not a buy or sell recommendation. You can do your own analysis
But good
and
stock,
Which is
good
you
this
can
stock.
stock,
decide.
sir?
What?
Which is this stock, sir?
This is KRN Heat Exchange.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
So how to
And
check
please,
the uh, you say
what?
it is easily sellable or not? You what you use the word?
Low liquidity.
Yeah, look, how to check in this? You develop anything for this?
Yes. So I have this indicator and volume multiplied by low threshold. I have entered
Okay,
this, which is 2 CR.
okay.
Ashish sir, can you mute yourself?
Yeah.
So in
Then
this, what happens is I have written as 2 CR.
okay.
If I increase few zeros, see everything is low liquidity because I have increased some zeros.
No, no, but two
Okay.
CR is it is good. It is liquid stock, no, sir?
Yes. So what
Then
I
it's
do is 2 CR means the total turnover, minimum total turnover. It is low of the day multiplied by number of stocks traded. If it is more than 2 CR, then it will not show low liquidity. That means everyday turnover is more
So
than 2 CR.
it's a good
So if
stock.
everyday turnover is more than 2 CR and you want to buy with just 2 lakh rupees, you can easily buy with just one click. It's not a problem.
Yeah. It gives very good retracement entry. I miss it.
Yeah, so it's okay. It is giving momentum entry as well.
Okay.
Persistent. Persistent. Persistent is strongly down, red candle below all the bands. Now, this was a strong down move. It went up, trend changed to uptrend, and now it has turned to downtrend. So possibly this may turn out to be a trading range for future from this low to this high. It is 50% range, and some stocks have this kind of range. It's okay. It may come down up to this afterwards. It may give another bullish opportunity. I will not do anything in this for now. If I had been holding for any reason, when this candle color changes to red below all the bands, if I have bought it for investment, I will exit here. If I have bought for momentum somewhere here or anywhere. So this candle close below black band or this candle close below black band will give me exit, or this candle close below black and purple band, that will give me final exit from momentum. So that will be my exit. And this was one more entry, and it did not close above the black band, so it was not a valid entry. The
So
stock has to close.
strong PFI downwards. Never buy this stock at present.
Yes, yes, yes. So there is very strong downward PFI and big red candles, high selling volume. I will not do anything in this.
Correct, sir.
Swaraj. So this will be last stock because it is
Sir,
already 20 to 41.
sir, my any stock not discussed yet.
Okay, this is Swaraj. It's downtrend. It has turned red here. You can see momentum is bearish. Price is below purple band, below a black band. So bearish momentum was present and it has turned red, but it had gone up nicely. It did not give any retracement entry. So that's why first time green is
It is
likely to
Swaraj
fail. If
engine
it what Swaraj engine?
that is looking good.
Okay, so that's my bad. Swaraj engine, yes. So this is Swaraj engine, and it has given nice retracement entry, and there is some bearish momentum here. There are some hidden gaps possibly. Okay, so there is small bearish momentum, but when price closes above this, that will be a
It's a
better
very good
time
stock, sir.
for fast momentum. But yes, it has given good retracement
It's a very
entry.
good stock, sir.
Yes, and
Sir, at least 3 stock.
I will take just one more.
No, sir.
Different colors in candle.
I have given so many recommendations.
We cannot check all the stocks. My
Three
daughters are
of mine, sir.
Enrin. Enrin is a new stock, fresh IPO kind of stock. Mm,
So phase
not
E.
much of build up. Yeah, so there is not much of build up. I can't buy or do anything in this stock.
I'm already holding
I'll skip
large
this. I
quantity.
will not do anything.
I'm holding
Good,
large
but
quantity.
see, I will not be able to analyze this. It doesn't suit
No,
as per my method.
I just want exit signal.
I can't analyze this. I can't give you any exit.
Okay. Any other?
Because there is nothing as per my method. So how can I give you a entry or exit?
No, I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm
So
not
you are
entering.
holding, but I can't analyze this.
Okay.
It may keep going higher and higher. So this is last stock flare. It turned up here, gave retracement, went up again. Now see here, the color is yellow, gave retracement entry, went up. And as the momentum band was present, there was some consolidation below that. Ultimately, this closed above this, and after that, there is nice momentum.
Sir, I just want
So
to
if you
learn
are,
phase E.
yes, so if you are holding, you can just keep trailing your stop loss below
Is this phase E?
308. Yes, it is phase E.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay, then
exit.
we'll end.
Okay, bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night. So please tell how to connect with you. You can message me on 9423403335.
94.
I have written it here in the message chat box.
Okay, sir. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Good night.
Good night.